हेलो एवरीवन, अवनीत दिस साइड फ्रॉम साहिबा कार बाली नगर। आज हमने ओंक्यो का XQD 1160 प्रो इंस्टॉल किए टाटा निक्सॉन के अंदर। दिस इज अ 9 इंचेस फुल फ्लेज एंड्रॉइड टैबलेट विच कैन बी इजीली इंस्टॉल्ड इन एनी कार. Frames and couplers for all cars are also available with us. In case if you wish to install the stereo in your car, you can contact us. Our mobile number is mentioned below. Now considering the features of the stereo, first of all आप स्क्रीन की लुक चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. The stereo has been mounted in the car along with a proper frame. इस स्टीरियो की इंस्टॉलेशन के साथ हमने कार में प्रॉपर कैनवस भी इंस्टॉल किए, जिससे कार के सारे ओरिजिनल फीचर्स आर वर्किंग परफेक्टली. लाइक दीज आर द कंट्रोल कीज which have proper functionality along with the stereo. You can have a look over it. Moving on to the other thing, इस कार के अंदर जो रिवर्स सेंसर्स कंपनी प्रोवाइड करके देती थी, दैट आर आल्सो वर्किंग परफेक्टली. लाइक ऑन एंगेजिंग द रिवर्स गियर यू कैन चेक आउट डिस्प्ले आ रही है सेंसर्स की, which depicts how far the object is from the car. This stereo comes along with 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. Another variant of this stereo is also available with us, which is in 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. Now you can have a look over the touch response of the stereo, which works flawlessly due to presence of capacitive touch in it. This stereo is having DSP settings, which stands for digital sound processor. In total, 32 band of equalizers are available in the screen along with loudness mode and heavy bass option. We are also provided with the balance and fader option, which can be used to check whether all the speakers are working in car or not. Moving on to the other thing, stereo के अंदर we are provided with licensed CarPlay and Android Auto, which can be used to access a phone data directly on the screen. Individual applications for using both these features are available. You can have a look over it as well. In order to access these features wirelessly, the only thing that we're required to do is to connect a phone Bluetooth along with the stereo, and within a couple of seconds हमारी phone की data directly screen में sync हो गई है. Most of the applications that are available in my phone has been directly synced, like the phone book, messages, and many more. The touch response of Apple CarPlay also remains flawless. This feature के अंदर we can directly access the Google Maps that is installed in a phone. This is the Siri option, which can be used for giving any command that we want. So basically these all are the features. And apart from this, is stereo के अंदर we are provided with the Play Store application, using which we can download any application in the stereo that we require. YouTube application is also there, which can be used for playing any video in the screen that we want. So in order to purchase this stereo, नीचे हमारा website का link mentioned है, using which you can directly place your order. And for any query, you can directly contact us. Our mobile number is mentioned below.